In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check audit logs in Docusign. If you're managing documents and agreements using Docusign, knowing how to track changes and verify transactions through audit logs is an essential skill to master, especially for maintaining security and compliance. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to head over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.docusign.com. It's important to start from the official website to ensure that you're accessing a secure connection and the authentic interface. When you land there, you will find the familiar layout of the Docusign homepage, designed to give you quick access to all its features. Once on the homepage, look for the login option. Generally, this can be found at the top right corner of the screen labeled Login. Clicking on this option will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your Docusign account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. In the event you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry, as there are options to recover your account information. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where all your document management activities begin. From here, direct your attention to the navigation menu. You should see an admin tab or link, which is typically located among other menu options. Clicking on admin will take you to a new page specifically designed for managerial tasks, providing you access to backend settings and configurations. Now that you're on the admin page, your next step is to locate and click on audit logs. Typically, this option can be found within the admin dashboard, possibly under a sub-menu or section that deals with data and reporting features. The audit logs feature is crucial as it maintains a thorough record of all the document activities, allowing you to monitor what's happening within your account. When you access the audit logs, you will be able to view detailed logs of every action taken within your Docusign environment. This includes who has accessed documents, any modifications made, and other transactional data that helps in reinforcing your compliance and security protocols. Reviewing these logs periodically can also assist in identifying unauthorized activities and discrepancies. Remember, understanding how to streamline these processes and effectively use audit logs ensures that your document management is not only efficient but also secure and traceable. It empowers you to have complete oversight of your transactions while providing peace of mind that your digital agreements are handled with the utmost care. And that's it, you've just learned how to check audit logs in Docusign. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in handling your documents securely. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more about Docusign's features to further enhance your document management process.